Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 new CAD-based renders and 360 video has been arrived, which gives us pretty much good detail about every possible angle of the smartphone. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. Today we have a new CAD-based renders and a 360-degree video of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 coming from the popular leakster on Leaks, which gives us a pretty much good detail about the smartphone from every angle of the device. If you look at these CAD-based render, you will be noticing that the device is going to be coming with a squarish shape, means it's going to be a boxier design just like we have seen in the Note devices, and it's looking pretty great. One of the main highlight of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 is obviously going to be the S Pen stylus support inside that particular device. The CAD-based render showcased that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be of 14.5mm in terms of thickness when it is going to be folded, and 15.6mm of thickness will be with the rear camera bump. But when it is going to be unfolded, the device is going to be having a thickness of 6.6mm, whereas it's going to be 7.7mm thickness with rear camera bump. As per the high resolution render images showcased by on Leaks, it gives us a detail that their device is going to be coming with an in-display camera sensor, and do keep in note that the positioning of the camera sensor may be different in the real device when it's going to be launching, whereas the cover display is going to be coming with a punch-hole camera cutout present on the top center of the device. The Fold 3 is going to be supported by 7.5 inch of AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate on top of that, whereas the outer display is going to be of 6.2 inch of AMOLED display with a 120Hz of refresh rate as well. The design of the camera bump is looking different and narrower as from the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and that particular design is looking much cleaner. While the exact detail of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 camera sensor hasn't been arrived, but we do think that the camera sensor on the backside will be coming with a main sensor, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens, which is supposedly going to be similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 2. The Fold 3 will be coming with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor just like the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and its positioning is looking quite great, and easily you can reach that particular fingerprint sensor. Internally, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be shipping with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. Also, it's going to be supported by 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The battery capacity is going to be divided in two different options, which combinedly give us a capacity of 4380 mAh of a battery capacity. That is down from 4500 mAh from the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Also, it's expected to be coming with a 25 watt of fast charging. Wireless charging support is also available, and reverse wireless charging is likely to be on the cards too, but though the speed that it will be coming is yet unclear. So all in all, these render images are looking gorgeous. The device is looking great. I honestly think that the boxier design is looking great and clean, and we have a new camera bump on the backside alongside with a stylus support, and also its affordable price tag, making this device as one of the choice for the fans if the crease coming inside the device is lower. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for daily tech video. Peace.